little fish.
Once upon a time, in the deep blue sea, there lived a tiny little fish. She had shiny silver scales that sparkled like stars and big round eyes full of curiosity. Every day she swam around the colorful corals, playing with bubbles and peeking at other sea creatures. One day, while exploring, the little fish suddenly saw a big fish coming closer. She got scared and quickly hid behind the seaweed. "Oh no," she thought, "this big fish might eat me." But the big fish only smiled kindly and said, "Don't be afraid, little one. I am not here to harm you. I just wanted to be your friend." The little fish blinked her wide eyes in surprise. She swam out slowly and asked, "Really? You don't want to hurt me?" The big fish chuckled. "Of course not. The ocean is big enough for all of us. Together, we can swim, play, and help each other." From that day on, the little fish and the big fish became the best of friends. They swam happily with other small fishes, played among the colorful corals, and shared laughter under the shining waves. The moral of the story is, don't judge others too quickly. Thanks for watching.